welcome to my channel, and I'm Dia. If you're new to the channel, I do a lot of videos on skincare, makeup, and I do a lot of haul videos, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And today's video actually is just get ready with me. I'm thinking of going out, so I thought why don't I just show you what all products I'm using for this look. This is a very simple kind of look, and this is great if you want to go out in the daytime and you want to finish it very quickly. And also I'm just giving a mini review of all of the products that I'm using, all of the links, and if I have any coupon or anything I will mention in the description box below, so you can check it out. And yes, let's start with the video. So before starting the makeup, you should always do a skincare, like I also start with that. And the first thing that I use is a serum, and now I'm using this MyGlam 3% hyaluronic acid serum. So if you don't know, they actually have launched quite some serums like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and a few more. And I quite liked, especially now during this while winter is approaching, ये serum use करना is very necessary, and plus my dry skin needs some hydration, and this hyaluronic acid is quite nice. So yes, that's the first product that I use. Next I use a moisturizer, which is this one. This is the Just Herbs Honey Facial Massage Gel, and this brand, actually I'm quite loving the products from this brand. I have a few skincare, and it is like this gel form, and it is quite nice, and especially like if you have dry skin or oily skin, anyone can use this one, and it like sets very well to your skin, keeps you hydrated. But I think during winter I have to switch it up, because this is perfect for maybe a little bit on the summery season, because it's a very gel form, not very thick. So yeah, for now, till now this is very good. The lips, just before the video I'm using this Laneige lip sleeping mask. My lips actually are behaving a little bit weird, so yes, I am using primer. This is actually a new pick for me. This is from the brand Color Bar, and this is their Perfect Match water primer water, and this is very hydrating one, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, I've already finished quite a bit, and you just have to spray it on your face. Next I use the foundation, and I'm using this one. This is a MyGlam Treat Love Care foundation. The price is a little bit more like on the higher side, $9.95, but again I have a lot of MyGlam coupons. I will try to mention the coupons in the description box. But this actually is a very light, it is not a full coverage concealer, but to go out but make it look like I don't have any much foundation going right now, so I use this one, and I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it out. So as you can see right now, you can see a little bit of a glow on my skin, but it is again not looking like I have too much of foundation or anything heavy. So this is actually perfect for daily use, or in the daytime. I absolutely love this. I have already talked previously about this. This is a Swiss Beauty concealer. My shade is 05. It's priced around, I think, 200, but you will always get discount in Amazon or Nykaa somewhere. I will share all the links. Last time I got this at 160 rupees, and this is awesome. Look at the coverage, guys, with the 160 rupees concealer. And I'm just going ahead to set my the full face with this Lakme Rose Powder. The shade is Too Warm Pink, and I'm actually planning on buying the K by Katrina loose powder, and yeah, till then I'm using this one. After setting the eyes, you can see this is like my final one, and you can see my dark circles are almost gone. You can't see it, and I have huge dark circles. So for the eyes, I actually am using a palette. This is by the brand Hilary Rhoda, and again I have mentioned it in my Amazon haul as well. This is again like within 200. I will mention the link down here. So I will just use this brown shade to use on my crease, and and set it as a base. As you can see, it made quite a difference. And next actually I will be using this palette from the brand MyGlam Pop Exo collection. This is Squad Goals, and it's priced at $449. Again, you will get a discount. This is actually the new range. I'm planning to do a separate video of this eyeshadows, and yeah, I will link it down if it's already up. This pink colored shade on my eyes.
And yeah, this is the first time I'm using. Let's see. Okay.
So yes, I have blended out the eyes, and I feel it is looking not bad. And yeah, so next actually I'm using a cheek tint, and this is from the brand Naftin. This is an Indian brand. I don't think anyone have heard of it. I saw it on my Instagram, but this is very pretty. It is quite pricey, like it's around I think 650 or 700 rupees. yes, can you see, like it has a very light tint, but again your cheeks look like quite flushed out. I really like this one, especially if you are trying to use it on your daytime routine. This is great. And for the highlighter, again I'm using a very subtle one. This is, okay, let me show, from the brand My Glam. This is the Chisel It palette, and they have like the contour, blush and highlighter all together. Now I feel I need a kajal, so I'm using this Maybelline Colossal liner. This is my favorite one. One last step, that is a lipstick. I'm using this My Glam. The shade is Boo. This is the My Glam liquid matte lipstick, and it like stays on for a long time. So guys, how did you like my video today? And if you liked the look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button below. And yes, let me know if you want any other kind of video. All of the links and any other coupons or anything will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And yes, that's it for today guys. Bye, take care.